First of all, I want to point out that we have consolidated on the daily time frame below the dynamic line that I showed last time. And this is quite a serious signal that we might go lower. As we can see from history, when we consolidated below it, we saw a rather strong correction. A 30% drop, which is quite a significant decrease, especially considering the current situation. Let's just make a rough estimation of what potential levels we could reach. And that would be the $50,000 mark. But right now, it's important to understand how we should act and what has actually changed. Since the last review, we've dropped significantly. We weren't able to break out of this range in either direction. We didn't see any growth, and for a long time we didn't see any decline either. But just yesterday, we saw a decline and got a reaction from our support level at 70,832. However, we did not enter from this specific point simply because we did not see any clear confirmation at the time. Ideally, we should have come here and seen the same confirmation that we previously saw with Monty's coins. And only then should you consider opening up a new trading position from here. But we didn't see that happen, and as a direct result, the price action broke right through this level. The next support level, which actually forms an entire support zone, is located at 68,900. Why do I want to draw your attention to the volume shelf here once again? We can see how strongly it stands out compared to the others, and it is a very strong zone for us. It is from here that we will be looking for confirmation, both on the 4-hour and daily time frames. But it is very important for us to keep in mind that it's better not to enter with a limit order right here. Why is that? Because let's take a closer look at the historical price action again. And we will see that even such strong levels can be broken through. We see a very deep price correction. That's why right now it's more important not to make a lot of money, but rather not to lose it. To preserve your capital and then, in a more favorable market, earn bigger profits.